Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best automotive paint guns for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the HVLP6800B spray gun from Fiven, an entry-level paint gun option that packs surprising value for its modest $70 price tag. This gun is perfect for beginners who want to test the waters of automotive painting without breaking the bank. Its lightweight design at just 1.39 pounds makes it comfortable to use for extended periods, reducing operating fatigue. The HVLP6800B boasts a 1.3mm nozzle and a 600cc paint capacity, making it suitable for varnish and top-coat applications. The atomization is impressive, with particles less than 0.16mm, which contributes to a mirror-like spray effect. Its aerospace aluminum alloy body not only ensures durability, but also provides a stylish, modern appearance, complete with patented design features. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to the multi-threading air cap and removable air guide ring. While the performance is solid for smaller projects, this model might struggle with heavier-duty coatings or larger-scale applications. It's ideal for hobbyists or DIYers working on smaller automotive or furniture touch-ups. The biggest pro here is its affordability, but the lack of high-end features means it's better suited for casual use rather than professional results. If you're on a tight budget, this could be a great start. At rank number 4, the Aerero Pro Tools R500 LVLP air spray gun offers excellent versatility and efficiency for just under $80. This LVLP low-volume, low-pressure gun is designed to minimize overspray and maximize paint utilization, with up to 65% paint transfer efficiency. It's equipped with 1.3mm, 1.5mm, and 1.7mm interchangeable nozzles, allowing you to handle a variety of coatings, from varnish to top coat. The gun features a durable Teflon-coated body that resists wear and dirt, making it easy to clean and maintain. With a lightweight design and easy-to-use trigger with 2 settings, dust cleaning and painting, it provides a smooth, fatigue-free user experience. The spray width reaches up to 280mm, allowing for efficient application over larger areas, whether you're working on cars, furniture, or even house projects. While this paint gun excels in efficiency and ease of use, it's worth noting that it requires an external air compressor and may not offer the same level of precision as higher-end models for intricate detailing. It's a fantastic choice for beginners wanting to tackle medium-scale projects without overspending, but professionals might find the atomization slightly lacking for ultra-smooth finishes. Coming in at number 3 is the InnoCraft D1 LVLP Air Spray Gun Premium Kit, priced at $119.99. This kit is a dream for DIYers, offering everything you need to get started right out of the box, including pressure regulators, oil-water separators, 3 nozzle sizes, 1.3mm, 1.5mm, 1.7mm, and a user-friendly quick start guide. It's built for ease of use with clearly marked scales and labels that make operation intuitive, even for first-timers. The D1 excels in paint atomization, delivering a professional-grade finish with minimal paint waste. Its durable one-piece forged aluminum body is enhanced with a Teflon coating for maximum wear resistance and easy cleaning. Whether you're painting cars, furniture, or home DIY projects, this gun offers versatility and consistent performance. The included accessories, like the cleaning kit and storage box, further enhance its value and convenience. While the D1 delivers excellent results for its price, it may not be as robust as more expensive options for heavy-duty or commercial use. It's ideal for hobbyists and intermediate users who want a reliable, all-inclusive solution for small to medium-sized projects. The combination of quality, usability, and accessories makes this kit a fantastic choice for beginners looking to step up their game. At number 2, we have the TCP Global Automotive Paint Gun Set, a versatile 3-piece kit priced at $149.99. This set includes 3 HVLP spray guns with different nozzle sizes, 1.4 mm for base coats and clear coats, 1.8 mm for primers, and 1.0 mm for detailed touch-ups. It's a complete solution for anyone looking to handle a variety of automotive painting tasks with precision. The guns are constructed from stainless steel for durability and feature fully atomized spray patterns that deliver a factory-like finish. The kit also includes 2 aluminum paint cups, air pressure regulators, cleaning tools, and a moisture filter. Everything you need to get started. The low-pressure, high-volume design ensures efficient paint transfer while minimizing waste, making it suitable for both DIYers and professional body shops. While the TCP Global set offers excellent value, the larger size and weight of its components may not be ideal for extended use. Additionally, the multicolor design may not appeal to everyone. However, with its comprehensive kit and reliable performance, this set is perfect for those who want a well-rounded option for automotive painting and refinishing projects. Taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Devilbiss 802343 Auto Painting Priming Kit, priced at $195.98. Known for its premium quality, Devilbiss delivers a 2-gun system specifically designed for base coats, clear coats, top coats, and priming. This kit is perfect for the handyman, craftsman, hobbyist, or DIYer looking for professional-grade results on both large and small projects. The guns feature gravity-feed designs with low pressure, high-volume technology, ensuring smooth and even coverage with minimal overspray. The build quality is outstanding, with a robust design that feels solid in hand while maintaining user comfort. At 7 pounds, it's heavier than some competitors, but provides durability and a premium feel. The versatility of this kit allows users to handle a wide range of coatings and applications with ease. While the price is on the higher end, the Devilbiss 802343 justifies its cost with exceptional performance and reliability. It's the go-to option for anyone seeking professional results without compromising on quality. The only downside is its weight, which might be challenging for prolonged use, but for the serious DIYer or professional, this kit is the ultimate choice for flawless automotive painting. Thanks for watching, guys! I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.